biking along the shores of the Baltic Sea here in Stockholm, going towards Vaxholm. I'm on my way to Ekudden. Today I'm going to do a little trip around the Baltic Sea, a micro version. I'm in Vaxholm waiting for a ferry that will take me towards Bogesundslandet, where I'll bike to Vaxholm, continue with ferries across over to Värmdölandet and then bike to the south side of Stockholm, passing by Gustavsberg and then into Årstaberg, where I'll take the train home again. It'll be around 70 kilometers and it's a bit cloudy, but it'll be a great trip. So I just got over to Bogesundslandet with a ferry from Vaxholm, and it took some time because there was a lot of different stops on the way here, but now it's time for some coffee and then I'll start pedaling. That'll be good. Need some scenery as well. This is my view. So I'm in front of Bogesunds castle. It was built by Per Brahe, one belonging to the upper classes and one of the men closest to the king, already in 1640. It didn't have the shape it has today, with the towers and all. Those were added in the 19th century. What is special about this one is both the impressive castle in itself and then also the fact that it's not been inhabited for 100 years, so it's not been modernized. And inside there's exhibitions where you can see how the upper classes were living throughout 3 centuries. So, gotta go here someday and visit the inside as well, but not today. So I'm on the second ferry now from third ferry even, 3, from Värmdö going over to Värmdö, and then I'll make a turn and go around and start pedaling into Stockholm again. After about 10 kilometers on Värmdö, the traffic picked up and the road wasn't ideal for cycling, but there aren't many alternatives here. Oh, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I've been biking around Värmdö and have reached Gustavsberg, passed by that, and I must say it's not been the best part of the route actually. Road with quite a lot of traffic, and here it's a more beautiful part with a little Vaxholm's ferry going through the strait there. I have 22 more kilometers to do and going into Årstaberg where I'll take the train home. It's suburbs of Stockholm. Årstaberg station. Finally. Woo.